Welcome everyone to my channel. I'm so excited to have you view again. I remain your Miss D. In our training today, I'll be talking about something that will help you understand English better. Ever play the game where things need to be arranged in order? Like putting toys from smallest to biggest. Today, we are looking at something similar, which is arranging words in alphabetical order. Now, this may sound easy, but there's a little trick to it. By the time we finish, arranging words will feel like a fun game and you'll be able to teach friends too. What is alphabetical order? What is Miss D talking about when she said alphabetical order? Alphabetical order means placing words in the same sequence as the ABCs. Instead of singing them like A, B, C, D, E, or A is for apple, and so on, we use the order to arrange words correctly. For example, apple, ball, cat, dog. A comes first, so apple becomes the first word. B comes second, ball. C comes next, cat. And D comes after, dog. That was super easy. But what if two words begin with the same letter? Let's find out. When words begin with the same letter, the second or the third letter decides the order. Let's take, for instance, bat, bag, and banana. For bag, A comes after the first letter. Remember, they all have same first letter. So A comes after the letter B. For banana, A also comes after letter B, but take note, N comes next. Take note. And for bat, A is repeated again, while T comes last. So the order will be placed on the third letter. That means the answer will be bag, banana, and bat. Therefore, if the first two letters match, then check the third letter. For example, in words like boat, book, boot. For boat, O is second, while A comes third. And for book, letter O is still the second letter. And we also have letter O as the third letter. And for boot, O comes second, and letter O still comes third. So, take note of the fourth letter, which is letter T. For this kind of question, we separate the word with a separate third letter. Then, determine which comes next by using the fourth letter of the remaining two words. Therefore, the correct order will be boat, book, boots. I'll be giving us some easy steps that can help to arrange words alphabetically. Step 1. Look at the first letter and arrange words from A to Z. Step 2. If two words start the same way, check the second letter. In step 3, if needed, check the third letter, then the fourth, and so on and so on. All you need to do is to always check. Okay, let's practice this together. Can these words be arranged? Carrots, candy, cup, and cap. Think about it gradually. What do you think the answer will be? Which will come first? Which will follow? Which will come after? And which will come last? Is it candy? Is it carrots? Cup? Cap? Choy? Okay, the answer is candy, cap, carrots, and cup. Was that correct? Look at it closely. We have three words starting with letter C and A. Therefore, A comes before U in the second place. So the first thing is to sieve the words with A in the second place. After sorting that out, then we attain to the remaining word, which is cup. Do you now understand? Great. If not, never mind. You can always play the video calmly again, but remember to subscribe, like, and comment. Now, you can see there is no difficulty with arranging words in alphabetical order. It's so simple. So, try this challenge. You know I always give you a challenge. Arrange these words: lion, lemon, lamp, and lizard. Lion, lemon, lamp, lizard. Remember, look well, think, get familiar with your letters before arranging. You can even arrange your letters of the alphabet A to Z in a jotter so as not to make any mistake. Drop your answers in the comments. Let's see who gets it right. And wait, before leaving, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Also, check on my website www.alphabetical.ng for extra PDF and worksheets. For more fun lessons, see you soon. Bye.